of the students. So, here are our guests. Our first two guests are Miss Johanna Michelle Llanes and Miss Shannon De Castro. While the second batch of our guests is Mr. Ryan Christian Pasumbar and Ms. Rael Reyes. So, let's have the first question. What is the importance of having a study habit? Well, I think that question is for Ms. Llanes.
There are many importance of study habits, but for me, the most essential importance of study habits is that through this we can achieve our goals and dreams.
Well, that's a good answer, ma'am. So, let's have the questions from the audience.
Ms. Llanes, what study habits do you do to achieve your goals? After every class, I study my lectures for that day and read my book and notes.
So, let's have the second question.
What can you observe to your classmates during free time? Are they studying? I think my question is for me. Thank you, Ms. Caritas, for that nice session. I think, as I have observed in my classmates, most of them are just reading and reviewing for their next subject, but some of us were just chatting and talking to their seatmates.
Let's have the third question.
Mr. Pasumbal, what do you think are the hindrances in study?
I think some of the hindrances in studying are insufficient amount of time, insufficient amount of money or unstable financial source, personal problems and bullying, child bullying, and lack of educational resources like books and electronic computers.
Let's have the last question. What will happen to the students if they do not have study habits? I think that question is for me.
Thank you for that question. I think students that do not have study habits might get lower grades, and because their time will be consumed in unimportant things like surfing the net, chatting with their friends, and many more. They might lose their attention to their studies because they don't have study habits. That's it.
So, generally, having a good study habit is important. And we must overcome the hindrances that comes along our way. That's all. See you next week on One on One.